Mike here with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker. Now, everybody likes a Bluetooth speaker, they seem to be very big, and what we've got here is something a little bit different, so let's take a look at it. So this is called the EasyAcc. It's a Bluetooth speaker, it's a portable one, but it's a little bit different, and I will explain why. It doesn't look like your standard Bluetooth speaker. So as always with good products, you get the customer feedback card, which is cool, and all it says is just let us know. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a piece of card. So then we have one user manual, one card, and here it is. So you get the cable, and in the cable, let's have a look, see what you get. So if you get a 3.5 jack, so you got your 3.5 jack, one cable here. See how big it is. It should be, I should imagine, a couple of meters, maybe just over a meter. So there we are. So you use that to connect it to your mobile phone, your iPad, any kind of portable music player. So then we got the speaker itself. And now the strange thing about this speaker, when I first saw it, and I thought I must have it, so it was very unusual the way it was designed, and I'm struggling. There we go again, classic Mike, carry on trying to unbox, and I can't unbox anything. Alright, so as you can see, here's the speaker. If I was to put it down like that, you don't see anything strange about it. It just looks like a normal square speaker, but it really isn't. Let's just put this away. Now, the thing that's pretty cool about this speaker, look at the shape. That's insane. And it sits, and the idea is, it looks like it's buried into your desk. How cool is that? That is pretty cool. I mean, like, there's so many of these, and it's quite slick. I mean, like, the material on the bottom, it's got a plastic protector. So we'll go ahead and remove that, which reveals that is the softest rubber finish. It's nice. This is really nice. So that'll protect it. So there you go. So it doesn't like slide around mentally. And if you was to push down and try and slide, it doesn't move. So that's a nice touch. We like that. We like that a lot. So then we have, this is the front of the speaker. It's called the EasyAcc Energy Cube. So let's call this the Energy Cube because that's what it's called. And then on the top here, we've got another little protection here over the controls. So let's peel that back, which reveals. So you've got the speaker part on the top. And then I'm assuming this will be just, this is not a speaker, this is just the light. So it gives you the, this is why I thought it looks so much like the cube from the Transformer film. You know, the scene where the, where he touches all this little alien gizmo and the stupid giant statue or whatever it was turns into a small cube. That's what it reminded me of, and that's why I thought I'd do an unboxing. So, as with all Bluetooth speakers, most of them anyway, you can answer phone calls with it as well. So it's got a built-in speaker. On the bottom here, you've got a 3.5 jack. You've got a micro USB port, and what looks like, yeah, it is. It's the power button on the bottom. So the power button's there. Then you've got all your input controls on the top. Again, there's a small piece of glossy finish there, but usually I'm not a big fan of this glossy finish, but it works quite nicely on this. It's just a shape. You know what, you can search around Amazon and I can guarantee you, pretty much you will not find another one with this design, or similarly with this design. I mean, like, when you compare it to a standard Bluetooth speaker, this thing's pretty cool. We like this. This is like the pill. And your more traditional design would be something like this. Now this thing's quite nice. This is all like, this is really heavy. This is like chromed out, and you can put in a micro SD card so you can have your music on the go. Unfortunately, I don't think this one supports a micro SD card. No. So this doesn't support. So this is a Bluetooth 4.0 as well. This is both Bluetooth 4.0 along with the one that we're reviewing. So we see if this thing's got a bit of charge on it. That would be nice. Doesn't matter, don't worry about that. We'll grab a quick power bank. Bam, 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 bam. Let's chuck that in here. So that fits into there like this, and because of the design it just hangs out the bottom. So then if we use, so this is a 10,000 milliamp power bank. If you haven't seen the video on this, I make myself look a bit stupid. I refer to this thing as made by Qualcomm, but it really isn't. It's the Qualcomm technology. So guys, everybody who's left a comment, I apologise. I rushed into it, I didn't have much time. So let's just plug this in, give it a bit of power. If you are interested in watching this video of this great power bank, you can see that somewhere about here. So it's got a bit of power on it. So now we've got this thing powered, we should be able to, you can see a little indicator lights just come on. So do you have to hold it or what? There we go, guys. So I'm just going to dim the lights for 2 seconds so you can see the actual product. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? So this is in pairing mode at the moment, so we're going to use the smartphone to try and sync this up. Let me just show you the controls. So you can quite clearly see the volume up, volume down, play, pause. So let's put this bad boy down. We like this. So let's hit you back up with some light. The link for all of that will be in the video description as always. So if I get me trusty old phone here and see if we can pair this bad boy up, how quickly it will pair if we have any problems. Don't want to be buying anything that is difficult, especially when it's just Bluetooth. So we're going to put the Bluetooth on. Here we go. So I think this thing's still flashing away. And if we turn on and scan for new devices, see how long it takes. Or maybe I need to press something else. I haven't read the manuals. I never read the manuals. There you go. It's right there already. So there's no like funny pairing button that you have to hold it for like 30 seconds. Literally just press the power button once and it's done. So cool. So we click this. It's going to pair. And maybe we'll just run a couple of YouTube videos and see what the audio quality sounds like. There we go. We're connected. Make sure your device is on. Show your device is on and the Discover and try pairing again. So maybe this isn't pairing mode. Maybe you do have to hold on and make it flash like crazy. Oh, there you go. It's connected, guys. That was that little buzzing noise. So shall we see what the audio quality sounds like? So once it's in paired mode, it goes blue. Let's crack up YouTube over here. Move this all out of the way so you guys can get a better view of what this thing will look like. It's just, look at this thing. And that's how it sits, flush to the ground. So, just to give you guys an idea, I'm going to play one of our YouTube videos. If you guys haven't seen the Iron Man Arc selfie light, again you can see that. A link for that will be in the video description as well. So I'll just play the audio off this. So you've seen the title of the video. Now this, it's ridiculous. It is beyond ridiculous how large this thing is. It just sits. So selfies are big business. There's Dan the man with his cat. He probably made £1 million from this picture. There he is working. Now, it wouldn't be a selfie video without this woman now, would it? So let's get back to the video. So, the audio quality is loud. It's very responsive, the touch controls. Yeah, so we like that. So let's see how it handles a bit of music. So let's just play randomly something. What can we play? Let's just type in the word music. Let's see what's trending on YouTube at the moment. So what seems to be trending? Let's have a look. What can we play? How about a bit of Katy Perry? I'm not a big fan of Katy Perry, but you know what? Let's just play this. So you can hear the audio quality is good. We're going to turn the volume down a bit. There we go. As you can see, as you can hear, the audio quality is pretty good. It's loud, and the volume controls that I'm controlling it with, that was with the phone. Now the volume on this does go up a little bit louder. I don't want to go on to any copyright infringement of overplaying this song, so I won't do that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, like if you try a different kind of song, you get an idea of the texture and of the sound and the audio and the clarity. So let's just play a bit of Mr. Raycon. It's not the speaker. There you go.
Sorry for the times that I left you home. I was on
Stuttering.
you home. I was on the road and you were alone. I'm sorry for the times that I had to go.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. It's easy to use, like with all Bluetooth speaker. It's got a nice textured finish. It's got a very odd shape, rubberized base. All the controls are neatly tucked away on the bottom. You can feed it through the back. And this little design here is absolutely brilliant. So there you have the Arc Energy Cube. It's pretty cool. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. Throw it in a bag again. As with all portable speakers, it's still quite portable. And you can answer phone calls and do your usual Bluetooth speaker thing. But it will look very different sitting embedded on your desk like that. So guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. If you want to ask me any questions, drop a comment in the comment box. If you want to see more of these unboxings, let me know again in the comments. So, what we got coming up? We've got coming up a zombie apocalypse. We're making a zombie skull splitter. So be sure to subscribe to check this video out. It'll be coming out in the next couple of weeks. So thank you for watching.